Yeah, we're right on the McStop exit, and it is bad right now. There's like 3 accidents behind us. Some car got destroyed up here. The freeway's totally off here. I know, right? Oof, it's so slippery. Scary black ice slippery. Yeah, there's accidents all over the place. There's like 4 behind us. Right now it's 11:07. It was probably at about 10:45 it started to get ugly back there. And there's 5 cars behind us. There's probably 6 cars in this pileup. It's Saturday, January 26th. Saturday, January 26th. Horrible accidents right on the McStop in Lakeville on the freeway on 35W. Awful.